just finished dinner. We got like a little Japanese tapas sort of thing. We got here to this place and we got a soft shell crab salad. Looks pretty good.
We'll see what it's like.
Yeah, but we're gonna be going to the hotel soon. We got the salt grilled mackerel and some
Shrimp dumplings.
shrimp dumplings. Looks good. And what you think of it?
It was nice.
Mm.
Like, it wasn't nothing crazy, but the good one was the
Soft shell crab salad.
which is not like they had that much crab in it, but
They had like
nice
4
little
pieces.
salad and 4 small pieces.
Anyway, this is
Tasted
our
good.
first time in Auckland in a year and a half, almost a year and a half.
It's been a long time.
It has been a long time, and we got some food, and we're gonna go to our hotel right by the airport because we are leaving New Zealand.
For a week. Fiji vacation.
Yeah, it is our sort of early 10-year anniversary trip.
But mostly a baby moon.
Sort of. Anyway, we are going to be staying at that little hotel right there called Ibis Budget. So I think we have
Reception.
free parking right here.
So ideally,
We parked somewhere around here.
good spot.
You have arrived.
There's our room. Key right in there. Alright. So here's our tiny little spot.
There's a bunk bed.
Yeah. Alright. You want to do a room tour?
So there's a Natalie and a mirror.
It's a little tight in here.
It's slightly tight, yeah. So we've got the bed. That is a good sized bed. There's a fun little bunk up top. Oh, there's a kettle. Nice. Little tote rack. There's outside. There's Countdown right across the street. You do have a TV, and then the bathroom is there. Are you gonna open up the bathroom door?
So this is the bathroom. And we have a shower with a soap dispenser right there. And a couple hooks for the towel, a toilet, 2 TPs, and a sink. It's pretty basic and small, but it works. And we have towels here. Hey, that's not my hair, but whatever. And what sort of amenities do we have right here? We have a few
cups, I just pulled
instant
those out.
coffee.
And there are
Yeah.
little milk thingies, ultra pasteurized.
Milk, and we have some tea as well, and hot chocolate.
Peppermint leaves.
And we have a little TV here, right here too.
Okay.
So this is the Ibis Budget. That's a huge bed. It's not that big, but it is sort of big. Is there a mattress up there?
Yeah, there is.
Oh.
So it only comes this far here.
Okay.
But
Ryan was trying to find a solution for his coffee setup, and I suggested that he move this little stool from over from the other side to right there, and I told him I was smart, but right after
Natalie.
that I
she
realized, Brian realized that I plugged my phone into the charger and didn't flip the on switch.
Natalie's very smart. I promise, she's smart.
Not all the time.
Yeah. Look at that. It's my side of the bed. And it's my new coffee table. Look at that.
Literally.
And that empty space. Now we could use that for storage. Isn't that just smart?
Whatever.
You're making fun of me. Do I deserve it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
6 o'clock in the morning. I'm half awake. I got a shower. And this little room almost feels like the YHA. It's kind of hostel-like.
It's comfortable, but it's kind of cramped.
Yep. But we are gonna head out and yeah, leave New Zealand.